Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to create this text effect in Adobe Photoshop step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. I'm applying this gradient from the blue groove of Photoshop default gradient. Then double click on the thumbnail of the gradient layer and change the angle value to 135 and hit OK. Then type your text using the font of your choice. I am using Cinderella regular font. Enlarge the text as needed and centerline the text. Right click on the text layer and select Convert to a Smart Object. Then set the text layer fill to 0. Double click on the right side of the text layer. Here check Bevel and Emboss. Here select the style to inner bevel, technique to smooth and set the depth value to 105. Set the size value to 27 and soften value to 0. Here set the angle value to 118, altitude value to 30. In the gloss contour, select this one. Select the linear dodget in highlight mode and select a white color in the color box. Set the opacity to 24%. Select multiply in shadow mode. Here select a deep blue color and set the opacity to 20%. Then check on contour. Here select this one. Set the range value to 50. Then check inner shadow. Here select lighten in blend mode. Select a deep blue color and set the opacity to 50%. Angle value to 18. Distance value to 0. Stroke value to 14. Size value to 57. Then check setting. Here select lighten in blend mode and select white color in the color box. Set the opacity value to 61. Distance value to 160. Size value to 153. Then check drop shadow. Select a deep blue color and select multiply in blend mode. Set the opacity to 33%. Here uncheck the use global light and set the distance value to 53, spread value to 0, size value to 101 and hit OK. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and uncheck inner shadow, set in and drop shadow. Then double click on the bevel and emboss. Here change the depth value to 63, size value to 68 and angle value to 90. Opacity value to 17 and 16. Hit OK. Then press Ctrl J again to duplicate the layer. Then set the layer opacity to 40%. That is it. By the way, the project file download link is given in the description. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.